Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sweta's Beauty Vanity. I hope you guys are having awesome time. So in today's video I'm going to share this makeup look with you guys, and this makeup look is really very close to me because I recreated my wedding makeup look. Yes, it doesn't look like a Bengali bridal look because I transferred it to a bridesmaid makeup look or wedding guest makeup look because we have a wedding season going on right now. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं एक wedding guest makeup look create करूँ. So this is really very wearable and very attractive look, and on last 9th of December we celebrated our 7th marriage anniversary, and so this is dedicated to me and my husband Dipanjan. So I'm really excited to share this look with you guys. So this is my wedding look, और यहाँ पे शायद होगा फ़ोटो में. तो मैंने ये लुक रिक्रिएट किया है आई लुक. बेसिकली ये चंदन का जो काम है वो ब्राइडल में होता है, बट या I tried to make this look very close to this one, but it was done by one of famous makeup artist here in Kolkata. So it's a kind of challenge for me to recreate his look. So yeah, मुझे लगता है कि आप लोगों को ये look पसंद आएगा. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching this video. And अगर आप लोगों को ये video पसंद आएगा, then give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family and every makeup lover out there, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already because it's absolutely free, and follow me follow me on all my social handles, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links will be available in my description box below. So चलो start करते हैं आज की makeup tutorial.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah,
again.